Buried under your skull lies the cortex, a 2.5 millimeters thick sheet of folded gray matter holding the keys to who you are. Welcome to Inside the Cortex, our deep dive into biology's command center. On December 15th, 2025, with AI mapping every fold at unprecedented resolution, we're venturing inside. Layers of neurons, scripting sight, speech, and self. Cortex is 6 layers deep, each a specialized district. Layer 1, dendritic highways for top-down signals. Layer 4, sensory input hub, where eyes and ears dump raw data. Deeper layers orchestrate output decisions, firing to muscles. These 16 billion neurons folded into Gyri and Sulci pack a tennis court-sized surface into your head, enabling everything from poetry to parking. (2025's breakthrough? AI-driven Connectomics from the Brain Initiative maps cortical highways at synaptic scale, revealing how layers integrate for creativity, gamma waves cascading across regions. In a landmark study, this tech restored vision in blind patients by rewiring visual cortex layers, blending biology with silicon precision. But inside the cortex lies vulnerability. Alzheimer's erodes layers, strokes sever connections. Yet plasticity reigns, therapy rebuilds maps, and nootropics tune currents. Ethically, augmenting layers with implants blurs human-machine but unlocks potential for all. Inside the cortex, your universe unfolds. What's one thought you'd map? Subscribe for more cortical quests, like if layers intrigue, and comment. Vision cortex or language layers next.